Namaskar, this is Varsha Patil Gulve. In today's session, we are going to know the basic terms related to electricity. Number one, work, power and energy. In past few lectures, we covered basic electrical terms like current, potential difference, EMF, resistance, etc. Here shows the session outcomes. After listening this session, student may able to define the basic electrical terms such as work, power, energy with their SI units and mathematical formula again where it can be used. Before we start, I thought some student out of you may want some more line related to potential for clear understanding the concept of electric potential. Hence, here some few lines which help us for good understanding. The electric potential or electrostatic potential is like water flow or any liquid which flows from a level of higher to lower level. We see heat always flows from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. On the same line, there is a tendency of positive charge to flow from a point of higher electric level to a point of lower electric level. This electric level decide the direction of flow of electric charge is called electrostatic potential. I think this is much more clear lines related with potential. Here we start with work. In physics, we deal with physical work. Work has a special meaning in physics, as like work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of that object. If you remember in your school days, we might be defined work as the product of magnitude of force and a displacement of that object in the direction of force. But in electrical there is a electrical work which can be defined as an electric work is the work done to transfer a charge from one point to other. The unit of electric work is joule. 1 joule of electric work is defined as the amount of work done to move a unit charge, that is 1 coulomb of charge, through a potential difference of 1 volt. Hence, work done to move a charge of q coulomb through a potential difference of V volt is given by W work is equal to Q into V joules. But we know I is equal to Q by T. Therefore, Q is equal to I into T. So, we can rewrite W is equal to V into I into T joules. We have already defined the term voltage and current for the electrical system. Now, let us define energy and power also. Now, we will see the term electric power. As we know, the fast or slow rate of the work done is always expressed in terms of power. Power is the rate at which work is done. Power is equal to work upon time. In SI system, the unit of work is joule. So, the unit of power is joule per second. This is called watt. Now, in electrical power, the concept of electric power is due to the voltage as well as due to the current. It is defined as the product of voltage and current. The power is denoted by letter P and it is measured in watts. The electrical power is proportional to the voltage as well as current. Here we see power which is equals to work done Again, we know work done is moving an electron from one place to another place. Here we see if you want to shift an electron from A point to a B point, there must be required some energy to displace this electron from position A toward the position B. Power is equal to EMF into current. As we discussed, power is a product of voltage and current. As power is measured in watts, power have unit of watts, EMF have unit of volt, current having unit of ampere. So we can write watts is equal to volts into ampere. Here in this picture, power is equal to product of two quantities, that is applied EMF, which causes to flow a current within a conductor by pushing electron from one point to another point within the body of conductor. Now we will see how we can calculate a power. First we discuss the DC power. Power in DC circuit is measured by the formula P is equal to, P means power, it is a denotation for power, P which is equals to voltage into current. Again, voltage can be expressed as current into resistance into I. So, P can be rewrite as P is equal to I into R into I, which is similar to P is equal to V into I. Different types of load have different effect on power sources. Yes, it is true. If it is capacitive, resistive or any kind of a load we apply, depending upon the category of load, power consumed by that load may vary. Unit of mechanical power is horsepower. 1 horsepower, which is equals to 0.746 kilowatts or 746 watt. 1 kilowatt hour, which is equals to 1 kilowatt into 3600 seconds, which is turns into 360000 joule. Here 1 kilowatt hour can be write as 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. For domestic purposes, electricity used in measured in unit of kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour, which is equals to 1 unit. Again, for further detail or in upcoming sessions, we will calculate electricity consumed by. Depend upon the example. There is a calculation of electricity. It is simple with the help of these all formulas. Power consumed in industry is almost AC. Yes, it is true because we produce AC. There is a production of AC and power is measured by wattmeter. Wattmeter is a device which gives us how much power consumed by a device, like current is measured by ammeter, voltage is measured by voltmeter, likewise power is measured by wattmeter. Here the electric power, in technical words, it takes efforts and energy which work to drive electric charge through a electric circuit, again against its resistance. The rate of energy or power are denoted by P required to drive electric current through a circuit or part of a circuit is proportional to the potential difference which measured in voltage across to and to the electric current that flows through a circuit. So we can also write P, which is equals to V into I. The SI unit of power are volt times ampere, joules per second. Joules per second, seconds is also called watts. Next term is electrical energy. The electric energy is defined as the product of power and time. Energy, which is equals to power and time. The SI units of energy are watt seconds or joules. The expression for energy is equal to V into I into T, means power P, which can be expressed into V into I, and time into T, the unit having joules. Practically, the electric energy is expressed in watt hour or kilowatt hour. The electricity meters installed by the electricity board are basically the energy meters. In upcoming sessions, we will calculate the electricity or electricity bill.